What we do here is go back.
Alright, so we're at my parents' place here, where the car is. So we're just going to let the little doggy out. Come on, yourself. All this stuff. Drop it down there. All broken now, it's good. So, here is the garage as it stands right now, and the car. As you can see, we got some organizational problems that we might have to deal with. A nice oil pan sitting right on the paint, it's good. So yeah, right now everything's kind of a bit of a clusterfuck. So this is the beast here. As you can see, she is a 1990, so that's the NA model, the first model that came out. And you know, honestly, there's just not that much room to work on anything right now, so I might not actually get much done, if anything, today. This is also a good time for me to just sort of test things out and see how I'm going to put all these different clips together and stuff, because I've never really done that before. So, first thing I'm going to do is just scratch the shit in the car while I take that off. And then we're going to move this giant white thing out of the way. Whatever it is. What is this? I have no idea. Oh, it's like a filing cabinet thing or something. And then we're going to go ahead and open up the trunk here. And as you can see, it's a bit of a disaster in here too. Like all the parts and stuff I just kind of threw into the car when we were moving it over here. Just to kind of get everything, I don't know, over here, but I have to clean all this out because I can't even really work. You know, honestly, I'm not going to do anything with these lights today, but what I will do is try and find a nice bright light so that when I do start working on things, we can actually see what's going on, because like in here, like I'm going to be unscrewing things, you're not going to see anything at all. So, let's see here. Oh my gosh, it smells like gas in there. That can't be good. Chainsaw on top here. A little sketch, not gonna lie. Oh, there we go. Okay. As you can see, it's all sort of broken in there. I'm gonna go down to the hardware store and see if I can't find a replacement bulb at least, and then maybe I can like glue that thing back to. Oh, it's gonna get hot in there though. So, okay, I don't know how I missed this when I came in here, but it's like the biggest building in the area.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright, so I'm going to go in there and see if I can find a light bulb replacement for this bad boy. Alright, so it looks like they actually do have those in the store there. So, the light bulbs, I should say. So we're going to go back home and see if we can actually get this working. Oh yeah, it's going to do that. All of your shards of your previous light should drop out. Oh, oops. Seems to be nice and bright now. Oh, I don't know if that's normal, but it kind of smells like burning right now. Maybe that's just the new bulb. It's also kind of letting off some sort of like buzzing sound. So anyways, I'm going to see if this thing's going to burn the house down or not, and I'll let you know what happens. Alright, so, I mean, due to the lack of time that I have and space and all the clutter and stuff like that, I'm not going to try and do anything on the car tonight. So, but I have the light working and everything, which is good. So what I'm going to do is come back here soon enough and start organizing this mess. Try and get some stuff out of the trunk here. And then at the very least, we'll start with these lights. And if my drill bits come in soon, maybe we can start with working on the Flying Miata hood lifts, which would be kind of a neat little project to do, because there's not too many videos on there how to do it properly. I'm not saying that I'm going to do it properly, but we'll give it a shot anyways. So I will close this up for now and chuck yet another thing in here, which is the headlight gaskets. And here's my lovely little toolbox. I don't know if there's much room in here. Oh, actually, I'll throw it in here for now. Okay, hopefully that doesn't get stuck. So anyways, we're going to leave it at that for right now. We'll come back to this and we'll get everything straightened up. And as soon as summer comes around, hopefully in the next month or two, we'll actually be able to start working on the car, and we'll have a lot of cool videos coming up. It'll be a lot of fun. So talk to you guys later.